It's challenging for organizations to focus on increasing business agility and cost reduction with an ever-changing world around us necessitating a constant evolution of employee service offerings. World-class businesses require a platform that lets them address these opportunities head-on. This presentation may contain forward-looking statements that involve various risks and uncertainties. Actual results may differ materially and should not be relied upon in making purchasing decisions. In this demo, we're going to focus on the way Creator Workflows can help you bring to life new digital workflows that are built for scale, explore how these apps can take advantage of service automation, and see how connecting process across silos helps bring value to the business. Only by understanding the employee experience can you begin to transform it, which is why we'll begin by putting ourselves in the shoes of an average employee in a tight spot. Emily is coordinating a small, in-person workshop for one of her customers and has been cautious to ensure she abides by all the new protocols in order to host a safe, compliant event. Her company has agreed to pay for flights and accommodations, though her company requires everyone attending be vaccinated. At the last minute, Emily receives news that a few key folks from her customer's executive team were able to arrange vaccination in time for the event, and now she's left scrambling trying to get their accommodations in order. She needs to quickly arrange a few rush payments, so she heads over to her employee service center to figure out the process. Unfortunately, she's not able to find an appropriate item to help her with this rush payment, so she opens a generic request for help. On the back end, this generic request uses ServiceNow's Universal Request feature to provide a radically simplified request experience that is both serviceable and transferable by any department. Normally, an agent would only have access to a subset of these options. I've included this wide array so you can see the versatility of Universal Request. With this streamlined agent capability on the back end, Emily was able to receive the ad hoc support she needed without having to worry about which specific process to follow or which department to engage. Let's fast forward a month down the road during a routine management review of Universal Request cases. The team realized that about 20% of Universal requests coming in over the past 3 months have been related to rush payment needs. Using this data, they see an opportunity to build an automated workflow to further enhance their internal service offerings. We now join Steven, a process expert and trained citizen developer in the finance team. Steven has been asked if he could develop a new offering to address the rush payment scenario, and with the help of App Engine Studio, he's ready to tackle the job. Steven kicks things off by starting a new app called Rush Payment within App Engine Studio. Then he starts the app creation process by creating a table using an extension from the task table. In the table designer, he can work with all the fields of his new table or narrow it down to just the non-extended columns. The primary objective of this app will be to provide a new service offering in his company's existing catalog. So next up, he creates a new experience and selects Catalog Item. Steven steps through the new catalog builder and provides some basic info for the catalog item page, the destination table that will house the created records, and then moves on to the questions. App Engine Studio makes it easy to start small and grow your app over time, so he begins with just a few questions about the rush payment to ensure the new service isn't too restrictive. Once he sets a few portal settings and establishes the appropriate access, he can then try his app in action using the built-in preview for both web and mobile. If so desired, Steven can even set this record producer up as a universal request, giving these rush pay requests the ability to traverse any department should the need arise. After they launch this basic service, Steven can go back and design a custom-tailored workspace for his team to track and manage rush payment requests in the same app scope. With the catalog item set, he can move on to service automation. Steven has crafted a flow designer flow to automatically ask for rush payment approval and then perform a conditional update depending on the response. Steven's already getting ideas on how he can incorporate Integration Hub spokes to provide dynamic integration with their finance system and provide sophisticated notification using Microsoft Teams or Slack connections. After wrapping up by creating an app user role, Steven hands off his app to IT for final vetting and approval. With his app in production, the team is excited to see the resulting impact on the business via automated rush pay case resolution and universal request incident reduction. A few months have passed, and Emily is now hosting a follow-up workshop. As always, an unexpected need pops up at the last moment, and Emily remembers that she was able to open a universal request to get the help she needed. To get there, she types the same query as before, and much to her delight, she sees a brand new catalog item with her desired service. Emily is now able to get her case automatically resolved via this new service automation, and the team handling general requests are freed up to handle other, less common situations. This level of cohesion and process improvement across the enterprise is made possible by ServiceNow's unique platform approach to enterprise service management and our industry-leading low-code application development platform, App Engine. Using these tools, your organization can bring to life new digital workflows that are built for scale, leverage service automation to drive efficiency, and connect process across silos to bring value to the business. For more information around creator workflows, App Engine, and enterprise service management, please refer to our official product documentation on the ServiceNow website. Thanks for watching this demo, and have a great day.